Beach ride, sitting back in the coupe. Girl, you like me and you know I like you. Any type of weather, girl, you know how we do. Baby mama left, so I gotta have two. Two girls, I'm like ice cream and fruit. Riding to you, fighting with you. Anything we do, girl, I like it with you. Son getting older, so I'm liking it too. You hate me, I don't know what I do. Money get tall like skyscraper roofs. Haters gon' hate, so you know how to do. Let's go down to the motel pool. We can go chill, girl, you know how we cool. Go on beer, get wasted as a fool. Money over girls ain't made to a dude. I'm thinking easy, paper if you knew. Wrong don't make it right, so it's something to keep it two. Every day I hustle like I'm trying to make the news. Black people down south fighting for food. Money make a hustle, so you gotta stay in place. Every day I miss you like trying to run away. I'm about hard like I'm trying to run a race. Please one time, can I see you another day? Ran through the hood, but what you gon' say? Me and my girl tied back in the tray. Riverside good, so you know how to play. Russian roulette, bullets all in your face. Young nigga ready, I ain't scared to get a case. I'ma get it in like a nigga shooting bass. Bullets wiped down, so you know they can't trace. Buckshots hit his ass, left freaking face.